Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to be introducing another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around the upgrade that we've carried out to the Renault Clio. This vehicle is a 2013 model and the customer came into us because he was having a couple of issues with the current factory head unit. Customer got a quote from Renault and fell over. That's why he's in with us, and we've upgraded the radio not only cheaper than what the manufacturer is offering, but also adding actual benefits to the driving experience of this vehicle. What we've done is replaced the factory radio, upgraded it with the brand new Pioneer EVO62 unit. Basically what that unit is a custom kit designed for the Renault Clio of this year. So if you own one of these Clios of this shape, make sure you check out the video carefully, look at the vehicles itself. If you've got a similar spec vehicle, having issues with your head unit, or just want to upgrade it with Apple Carplay or Android Auto, that's exactly what we've done. So we removed the unit and upgraded it with a unit that now allows for a driver to basically access Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, plus a new, more responsive touchscreen as well. That's really important that the whole system's installed professionally. Plus we've got a little microphone in there, so the unit now has Bluetooth for Bluetooth streaming, but also for hands-free. So a really nice upgrade that we've carried out to this car. It's all been completed in a day in our workshop environment in Cambridge here. So if you're new to our channel, haven't seen us before, hit the subscribe button below and it'll keep you up to date with future videos. But in today's video, all I wanted to go through is basically the installation that we've gone through and done on the Renault Clio, upgrading it with more functionality and upgrading it to better than what the manufacturer is offering as a solution for replacement. Obviously these units, but a couple of people asked recently for this specific unit on this car because of the fault that the factory one does come with. So thank you very much for watching our short video. It's basically just a very short video to explain exactly what we've done and upgraded on this Renault Clio. But thank you very much for watching and we'll look forward to seeing you soon.